Nung first wedding namin, bata pa ako noon, I was 18 and he is 19. Nag-aaral pa kami. So we got married, tapos nagplano ng mga kasal, like yung mga relative, ganun. And then ang guest namin is limited to, sila din ang, basta lahat sila nag-organize, pumunta lang kami, we just have to wear our, gown, and then siya din. And then that's it. Wala, hindi nga namin namalaya ng inasal pala kami noon. But we were there, we were happy, umuulan. And again, all of the people that we love were there too. Hindi siya kompleto, but they were there.
Tapos, tingin-tingin lang kayo, tapos gaganon-ganon kayo. Gaganon-ganon kayo.
Ate, iba itsura mo, ate. Gumanda. Oo, nakapasi. Si Mama Alan din, mukha ka ikakasal din.
It's her dream, guys. This is her moment. It's great.
Thank you.
Nadarama mo pa aking lambing. Teka, wag ka munang aalis.
Naalala ko, unang-unang kasal namin. Umuulan nun. Same thing, it's also raining like this. So, pero yun ang special, pinaka-masayang araw namin dalawa. Because it's our fulfillment that we will be together again.
Dahil pangako ko ay wala nang lumbay, di ka na mag-iisa. Dito ka na lang sa aking tabi. Mula umaga hanggang gabi, huwag ka munang aalis. Dito ka na lang sa aking tabi. Kahit magdamag sandali, huwag ka munang aalis.
Very thankful ako sa siya yung naging wife ko. Actually, hindi naman nagbabago tingin ko dyan eh. Tingin ko nga dyan, parang 18 years old pa din.
I call him sweet. Sometimes I call him dad. Kapag naiinis ako, Joy Boy! Because that's what the mommy called, Joy Boy, O pag talagang galit na galit, Pasilito! So he knows, di ba? Parang galit ka na.
Okay.
Well, it's just that it's pretty. It's not. I don't know. Like it's one thing I will say out of all of this. I'm glad that they kind of got married young, because I grew up with the young parents. So like now that I'm like 28, my dad's like 50s. Like I feel like we talk so much more now, and they were always the cool parents out of all my friend groups because they were young.
Yeah, we're super by
Tsaka
it.
maganda pa rin nagkasama ng bata.
You see? See? Yeah, they do it again. Oh, yeah.
Sa aking tabi. Mula umaga hanggang gabi, huwag ka munang aalis. Dito ka na lang sa aking tabi. Kahit magdamag sandali, huwag ka munang aalis. Kaya
35 years secret, I guess, number one is patience, trust, and always make your wife happy, because a happy wife is a happy life.
darating
35 years ago, we stood before God in this very church and promised to love, to honor, and take care of each other. And today, by God's amazing grace, we're back here again, renewing the same promises. grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. Sabi nga nila, just like dream of what you would want and you're gonna get it. I dreamed of this one and I'm here in front of all of you.
Darating din ang panahon na malalagas ang buhok. Balat ay kukulubog at makukuba ang likod. Hindi malilimutan ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Magpakailanman. Panahon ay lilipas din, mga araw ay daraan. Ang mundo ay papanaw din, ngunit hindi ang aking puso, ngunit hindi ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo.
I love that we share so many beautiful things that God and life has to offer. And from our simple coffee dates and movie nights to our dinner dates and traveling to new places. I truly love talking to you and feel so comfortable sharing everything with you. Our journey has been quite a roller coaster and it was never easy.
Hanggang, wala si tatay nung kinasal ako, so ngayon nandito na siya.
Panahon ay lilipas din, mga araw ay daraan. Ang mundo ay papanaw din, ngunit hindi ang aking puso, ngunit hindi ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Habang buhay kitang mamahalin, habang buhay kitang hihindayin, habang buhay kitang mamahalin, magpakailanman.
If I were given another lifetime, I would still choose you over and over again. The same thing that you told me earlier. Thank you for giving me 35 wonderful years of love with my Maria and JV and all of you here. I'm looking forward not only for another 35 years, but probably like 75 years if we could.
Panahon ay lilipas din, mga araw ay daraan. Ang mundo ay papanaw din, ngunit hindi ang aking puso, ngunit hindi ang pag-ibig ko.
Thank you for your love, the memories, and the beautiful family. You're still my answered prayer, my greatest blessing, and the love of my life. I love you, sweet, and with God's grace, I will keep loving you until He calls us home. Happy 35th to us.